Why does launching a new digital sales channel still take months when the market moves in days? Today, launching a new channel often means rebuilding the entire experience from scratch, with unique code, design, and integration logic for every app, website, or marketplace listing it needs to reach. The underlying product, pricing, and inventory haven't changed. The team just has to redo the work of presenting it every time for every new surface. That's a bit like a manufacturer rebuilding the same product from scratch every time they land a new retail deal just to get the same item onto a different shelf. No one would run a factory that way. But it's often exactly how digital experiences get built. There's a better way. Headless architecture makes a digital experience available across every channel without rebuilding it for each one. At Salesforce, the part that does this work is called the Headless Experience Layer. The Headless Experience Layer works like a warehouse for digital experiences. It holds the core properties of a digital experience in one standardized form, ready to be pulled, formatted, and delivered to whatever channel needs to reach the customer next. AI agents plug into that warehouse to pull those core properties and deliver the experience on entirely new surfaces without a separate build for each one. It's like a manufacturer that can finally customize the same product for a boutique, a big box store, or an online marketplace without re-engineering the product itself each time. One experience, every channel. That's headless architecture from Salesforce. And be sure to check out our other explainer videos on MCP and agentic orchestration.